channel. It's just the way things have panned out lately. So I've got my 2017 Sonata Hybrid. Just flipped over 100,000 miles on June the 12th. And I've got a video I can post at some point, but everything's getting out of order. In any case, the Sonata Misfire solved. Here's what happened. 101,000 miles an hour, around 91,000, driving home from work on the expressway. And I feel it's down on power. I can feel a definite dead miss. Check engine light comes on. So I get prepared to exit the expressway so I can check it out, see what's happening. About 15 to 30 seconds later, before I could get off the expressway, check engine went off, the dead misfire went away, and everything was good. Got home, popped the scanner on it, it said stored code P0302. 03 is misfire, 02 is cylinder 2. Didn't think any more about it, because it was running just fine. So comes, I don't know, 95,000 miles, driving along the expressway, starts stumbling, check engine light comes on, but no dead miss, it's just a stumble. So I get ready to pull over, check it out, check engine goes off, and it clears up. Fast forward to this past week, on the interstate on a 4-hour trip out of town. Feeling as though it's got an out-of-balance tire. In fact, the out-of-balance tire shaking was just after I got the tires balanced and rotated, and I thought, through a balance weight, not a problem. Had that tire rechecked, rebalanced, was still there. So I'm out of town, and it's hot as anything. That's why I'm not in the garage. Too hot in there, so outside where I can get a bit of a breeze. Anywho, I'm visiting a friend out of town. Went into a convenience store, pick up a couple soft drinks. I get back out to the car and he said, yeah, the car switched over to gas from the hybrid battery, and it has a little bit of a shake to it. And driving 55, roughly, maybe 60, the limit where we were, and you could feel out of balance tires potentially. So went to an auto parts store, borrowed their scanner, 0302, pending code. I'd seen enough videos on YouTube to determine it's either the number 2 spark plug or the number 2 coil. So what I did, I took a chance, spent over 80 bucks on a coil, replaced it, and that seems to have cured it. I'm going to, at least it got me back home. And on this particular trip, my gas mileage going to my destination was 36.9, 37.8, and then it drops down to 65 the last 20 miles. And I noticed that the previous time I made this trip, that the mileage was maybe 38 or so. Coming back with the new coil pack, the mileage never showed below, 42.2, and it didn't have the out-of-balance tire feeling to it. So I'm going to get 4 new coil packs, not sponsored. These folks don't know who I am, but I've bought from them in the past a few times. One, AAUTO.com. I'll put a link down below. And for the 17 Sonata Hybrid, I'll call them and make sure, but 4 coil packs is right at $100 a pack of 4. So I'll replace all 4, and the one I spent over $80 for, if one of these turns up bad, I've got a spare. If they turn up good long term, and my wife has a coil pack on her Sonata go bad, then I've got one I can pop right in. So that's where we are, 0302, cylinder 2 misfire. what happened in my case, and there's videos galore how to replace the coil pack. So I'll post a link to one of those down below as well. Thanks for coming by. Hope you stop back. Hope you subscribe. Again, not a Sonata repair channel, but this is what's happening at the current time with it. So, and it was 99,600 miles is when the trunk latch went bad, if you want to see that video. Anywho, thanks for stopping by. Hope you subscribe.